Did you know that something as small as a grain of sand can cause immense pain and serious health problems? This tiny menace is often overlooked due to its minuscule size, but its impact can be devastating. This tiny terror is the jigger, a parasitic flea found in tropical and subtropical regions. Despite its small size, the jigger can cause significant discomfort and even lead to severe infections if not treated properly. Jiggers burrow into the skin, often of the feet, causing intense itching, swelling, and inflammation. The initial bite may go unnoticed, but as the flea burrows deeper, the symptoms become more pronounced and painful. While the thought of a parasite burrowing into your skin is unsettling, the real danger lies in improper removal techniques. Attempting to remove a jigger without proper knowledge can lead to secondary infections, increased inflammation, and even more severe health issues. It's crucial to seek medical attention for proper extraction and treatment to avoid complications. Jiggers, also known as sand fleas, are tiny parasitic insects that thrive in warm, sandy environments. These minuscule pests are often hard to spot due to their small size, but their impact on human health can be significant. They are particularly prevalent in areas with sandy soil where they can easily find hosts to latch onto.
These creatures are commonly found in developing countries in Africa, South America, and the Caribbean. In these regions, the warm climate and sandy terrain provide an ideal habitat for jiggers to thrive. The lack of adequate healthcare and sanitation facilities in some of these areas exacerbates the problem, making it difficult to control jigger infestations. Unlike other fleas that bite and move on, female jiggers burrow into the skin to lay their eggs. This process can cause intense itching and discomfort. Once inside the skin, the female jigger swells as she matures and her eggs develop, leading to painful and sometimes debilitating symptoms for the host. This burrowing causes the characteristic symptoms of tongiasis, the condition caused by jigger infestation. Symptoms include severe itching, inflammation, and ulceration of the affected area. If left untreated, tongiasis can lead to secondary infections and even more serious health complications. Proper medical intervention is crucial to remove the jiggers and alleviate the symptoms.
The internet is awash with DIY jigger removal methods, from using needles to dig them out to applying household items like kerosene or nail polish.
However, these methods are not only ineffective, but also extremely dangerous. Using unsterilized instruments can introduce bacteria into the wound, leading to secondary infections. Furthermore, incomplete removal of the jigger can cause further inflammation and complications.
The safest and most effective way to remove jiggers is to seek professional medical help. Jiggers, also known as sand fleas, can cause severe discomfort and lead to serious infections if not treated properly.
Healthcare professionals have the necessary tools and expertise to extract jiggers safely and completely. They use sterilized instruments to ensure that the removal process is both effective and hygienic, minimizing the risk of further complications. They will also clean the affected area thoroughly and prescribe antibiotics to prevent infection. This comprehensive approach not only addresses the immediate problem, but also helps in preventing future issues related to jigger infestations.
Remember, attempting to remove a jigger yourself can have serious consequences. Without the proper knowledge and tools, you might end up causing more harm than good, such as leaving parts of the jigger behind, or causing an infection. It's always best to err on the side of caution and seek professional help for safe and effective removal. By consulting a healthcare professional, you ensure that the jigger is removed completely and that your foot is treated properly to avoid any complications.